Chris Straub here with Straub Technologies, and today we're going to talk about LT blocks. GM, with the LS and the LT platform, when it came to aluminum blocks, they put a very thin wall sleeve in this block, and it really wasn't designed to be a remanufactured, reused engine type deal. Hey, based on an OEM, they got to save a little bit of money, so we understand that. Well, here at Straub Technologies, we followed what they did in the LS platform, and we've taken that to the LT platform. So we've gotten with PowerBore up in Ohio, and these sleeves are a nodular iron sleeve. They're an interlocking system. So the outer sleeves are radiused with a single flat, and then the center two sleeves have got double flats. So once the block is bored on our F69 Rottler CNC machine, we bore the old sleeve out, and then we install the step sleeve. It has a flange on the top, and then that sleeve, so it positively locates the sleeve in the block. So there's no chance that this sleeve can drop out of the block or do anything like that. But the amazing thing is, instead of only being able to go 4-inch 070 with your 6.2 block, now with this sleeve and this interlocking system, you can actually go 4-155 bore with your 6.2 LT. So hey, if you want a real cool system and a budget, you can get a 6.6 LT crankshaft, which is almost a 1/4 inch more stroke than a 6.2. So GM's already given us a stroker crankshaft. You add that with this block at 4-155 bore, you can build 418 cubic inch LT motor right out of the gate with factory parts. Just drop in an LS H-beam rod, and we'll have corresponding pistons to go with these crankshafts for the 6.2s. Now, not only on the 6.2s, we're also doing this on the 5.3s. The 5.3 will have the same interlocking type sleeve system in those aluminum blocks. So instead of being limited to a very small bore of 3/800 on those, you'll actually be able to go to 4-inch 090. So you'll be able to convert a 5.3 block to a 4-inch bore, which would be a great combination with a stock stroke for a turbo build. So using the stock stroke of 3.622, going to a 4-inch bore, build you a 6-liter turbo motor, and still have almost 185 thousandths worth of iron cylinder wall in the block, plus the aluminum. This is going to give you positive seal. You combine that with our new LT system where we've got the step washers in the cylinder heads. You boosted guys are in for a treat because we're giving you a really nice bulletproof combination with thick cylinder walls and aluminum block. And hey, have you priced a new aftermarket aluminum block today? You're looking at $8,000. You go to our website, and these blocks are starting out in the mid-4 range with the sleeves already installed. Now, you want it bored, honed, and ready to go, prepped, you just drop down on our drop-down menu, select what you want, ARP studs in the mains, whatever you want. If you want the flame hoop receiver grooves in the block, we can do that. You'll see that you can get a fully prepped OEM block for about $6,500. So that's $1,500 cheaper than an aftermarket block that still needs machine work. So at Straub Technologies, we're looking out for your wallet, but check this out on our website. So we've got the 6.2s and the 5.3s. We've got new blocks, or if you're somebody that might have a tighter budget than some, we've actually got core blocks that we've pressure tested, cold, made sure these things are good. So aesthetically, they may not be as pretty, but functionality, they're as strong as a brand new block, and you're going to save almost $800 on that kit. So you do that, you're under $6,000 for a fully prepped LT block in 5.3 with a max bore of 4-inch 090, or a 6.2 block with a max bore of 4.155. So check it out at straubtechnologies.com. Drop down menu, just type in block in the search bar, and it'll take you to our LT system. And we've even got a limited supply of LS blocks. They're on there too. Check it out. Thank you.